have teased him about it. We have imagined it because he's just so dramatic all the time. He has entertained us so often. He's full of energy, full of life, very mischievous. Got a totally mad sense of humor.
Thanks.
And while we've seen all that in person, it still was just the most amazing feeling to see his first cut, if I may call it, or the first promo of his movie. It's like for us watching, like Abhishek calls him a baby brother, really now on screen. So it's just, it's a very personal sentiment, and all I want to say is all the very best. It's a very special feeling.
इनकी शरारत और इनका टैलेंट बड़े पर्दे पर दिखेगा लोगों को, तो क्या विशेष देना चाहेंगे?
जैसे हमने कहा, गोइंग बाय द जीन्स बहुत ही ब्लेसिंग्स है. अब काफ़ी मेहनत करना है, and that's the way of life from now on. I mean, it goes on forever. मेहनत is not a first time thing or after a number of years. It's for the rest of your life as an actor. You know this from home.
I know this from
First
everywhere.
from home, and then the rest of us in the family. So yeah, that's all we can just.
ऐश्वर्या, as an actor, आपकी क्या tips होगी? जैसे आपने कहा कि he's a baby brother to your husband.
I just find this all very strange when, you know, constantly feeling like give advice or give tips. I don't want to get to that space because, like I said, he can get the best advice at home itself, you know, from his parents, who are still such fantastic artists, such absolutely complete entertainers, who do so many different genres of cinema, of characters. So I think he's got the best examples and the best advice right at home. And we as family will always be there. I mean, Abhishek was unable to be here. We just had him speak. He's in the States shooting. But he sends his love and best wishes and blessings. Down memory lane that you guys do all the time. I don't know about attending launches, but you all have me jog down memory lane almost on a regular basis on every interview. So I think that's the magic of belonging to this world. That's what I was telling him. And he was like, is this the way it always is every time? All this chaos? And I said, I'm sure you've seen it and now I'm sure you'll experience it. But yeah, that's why I said welcome aboard. Join the chaos.
ऐश जब भी कोई स्टार किड्स फिल्मों में आता है तो उससे एक्सपेक्टेशंस ज़्यादा बढ़ जाती हैं. अनुपम खेर जी के बेटे हैं, तो आपको लगता है कहीं ना कहीं इनसे कुछ ज़्यादा उम्मीदें होंगी दर्शकों की?
ये तो सब आप लोग करते हैं. आप लोग ये सब comparisons और उम्मीदों की बातें करते हैं. As a individual, I mean, he's a regular guy with aspirations, with ambition, with the talent that he's honing, and now he needs to gain on experience, because that's the biggest gift we can all have as artists. And I'm sure all of you also on your job, you will identify with that. You need experience to constantly keep bettering yourself, and that's a constant. So ये सब बातें तो आप लोग करते हैं, but to him, I just say, well, you've joined the bandwagon, now just work hard. And sincerely, you got to be honest with your work, with your craft.
सबसे महंगी हीरोइन बनकर आ रही है, सबसे महंगी हीरो के साथ तुम रिपोर्ट में कुछ के बारे में थोड़ा बताना चाहिए.
अरे हम यहाँ आए हैं for summer of 2007, and that's all we'll talk about. We'll do our personal interviews another time. But thank you. Clever.
Very good.
Very clever question. Well, summer of 2007 will always be, oh man, I never thought of it that way. Thank you. It'll always be very, very special for me personally, me and Abhishek and our families. And yeah, he rocked it at the Sangeet, so, and he had a blast as well. So yeah, that'll always be personally very, very special to me. Thank you for reminding me.